The next premium smartwatch might finally do something doctors have wanted for a decade: read your blood pressure live, off your wrist with no cuff at all. And the leak behind it changes the entire design of the watch. This isn't just casual speculation floating around online. These details are reportedly coming straight from manufacturing insiders deep inside the supply chain, which tends to carry a lot more weight than a typical internet rumor. Here's the frustration driving all of this. The last few generations of the top-tier smartwatch have looked almost identical. Same bulky shell, a slightly brighter screen, minor software tweaks, and the same premium price tag every single year. People are starting to ask a pretty reasonable question. Why keep upgrading at all if nothing actually changes? But leaks suggest that cycle is finally about to break, starting with the most aggressive redesign this watch has seen in years. According to supply chain reports, engineers are cutting the chassis thickness by 15%. In the world of hardware design, that's not a small tweak. It means redesigning the metal housing from scratch, thinning out the display borders, and even reworking the speaker grille layout entirely. The device on paper reportedly looks sleeker and more futuristic than anything this lineup has had before. But that creates a real tension. This watch built its entire reputation on being nearly indestructible, marketed toward divers, climbers, and survivalists who needed something that could take a beating. Make it too thin, and there's a real risk it starts feeling like just another fashion watch instead of the rugged tool people fell in love with. Leaks suggest the design team is walking a tightrope trying to keep that durability while shrinking the frame. The real engineering story, though, is on the back of the watch. Reports describe a completely new sensor ring, moving away from a small cluster of sensors sharing space toward 8 fully separate, dedicated sensors arranged in a ring. Going from a handful of shared sensors to 8 isolated ones is a massive leap in raw tracking capability. Here's why that actually matters to you. Right now, smartwatches don't really measure your blood pressure. They estimate it using your historical heart rate trends, which means if your body has a sudden spike, the watch can completely miss it because it's only looking backward. According to leaks, this new sensor array is built to track real blood vessel activity live, second by second, sending pulses through your skin to read exactly how your vessels expand and contract with every heartbeat. If this clears health regulators, it could mean throwing away the tight arm cuff at the doctor's office entirely, replaced by instant, clinical-grade blood pressure alerts right on your wrist while you sleep, walk, or work. And reportedly, this isn't even the end goal. Sources suggest serious money is already being poured into non-invasive glucose tracking next. Technology that could eventually mean no more finger pricks for people managing diabetes, no needles, no daily disruption, just a reading off your wrist. Hypertension is often called the silent killer because it rarely shows symptoms until it's already serious. If this technology holds up through testing and actually reaches regulatory approval, putting a real-time warning system on millions of wrists isn't just a nice convenience feature. At scale, it has the potential to genuinely save lives. So this isn't just a thinner watch we're talking about. It's a complete hardware shift built around real medical-grade health tracking. But it's still leak territory right now, and anything health-related has to clear regulators before it ever reaches your wrist. So treat this as a strong signal, not a guarantee. If this turns out to be accurate, would you actually trust a watch over a doctor's cuff for something as serious as blood pressure? Let me know what you think in the comments.